Hello, this is Peter from Man King Homestead. Today's Thursday. It was cloudy today, started snowing in the afternoon, and then turned to rain. And it is very, very windy now. We're supposed to have rain overnight, and then tomorrow morning the cold front's supposed to move through. We're not supposed to get an awful lot of snow tomorrow. The main thing's going to be the cold and the flash freeze. One county north of here, they have a blizzard warning up. They're supposed to get 3 to 4 feet of snow and 60 to 70 mile per hour winds. But I'm glad that's going to be north of us. Went to physical therapy this morning. Then when I got home, I put a DoorDash order into Tractor Supply. So I got 3 bales of pine shavings now. And I think I have a right to get propane and gas tomorrow. I'm hoping that works out because I have my last tank of propane on right now. I'm sorry that I've reused some of these clips several times, but I didn't put anything in with snow today because I think everyone's seen enough snow by now. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please like my video, and please continue watching. This week, my Sunday Live will be starting at 5 o'clock Eastern. It'll be a special Christmas edition this week. I hope you can join me for it. That's it for today. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Have a good one.